Hello dear viewers, myself is Zishan Ahmed. Welcome to our YouTube channel Medical Core. Dear viewers, as we discussed in the previous lecture, the classification of anemia on the basis of MCV. Now in this video, we will focus on the classification of macrocytic, normocytic and macrocytic anemia. So don't go anywhere, let's start the video. Macrocytic anemia defined is when the MCV value is less than 80 femtoliter per cell. It can be classified by measuring the serum iron or ferritin level. If the measurement is low, it will be iron deficiency anemia. But if the level of serum iron or ferritin is high, then it is sideroblastic anemia or thalassemia. Normocytic anemia can be classified when the MCV value is in between 80 to 100 femtoliter per cell. It can be screened further on the basis of retic count. If the retic count is normal, then it is aplastic anemia or anemia of chronic disease. But if the retic count is high, then it is considered as G6PD, sickle cell anemia, or hereditary spherocytosis. Last, macrocytic anemia. When the MCV value is greater than 100 femtoliter per cell, then it is called macrocytic anemia. It can be classified further on the basis of serum vitamin B12 and folate. If these measurements are normal, then it will be a non-megaloblastic anemia. But remember, if these measurement is low, then it is called megaloblastic anemia. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like and share the video.